Hello students, how are you all doing? I hope you are doing very good. So the forms for IIT JAM 2021 are already out. Many of you must have filled in the application. Many of you must be in the queue. I thought this is the right time to make this video. In this video, I will walk you through the resources that I used for my IIT JAM preparation, and I have added some important books along with some YouTube videos that you can pair up. Also, I would like to mention that no material is enough for any exam preparation. The more you study, the better. So according to me, these materials should suffice, but in case you feel you need to read something more, then you always have the chance and opportunity to go and search more resources, more books, and read more. So let's quickly begin. As you can see, I have all my data written over here. I will read out the important points over here, and the books along with the YouTube videos that I have added. Okay, so these are YouTube videos, are basically the online that I'm going to use for physical chemistry, are very easily available. So they are, the first one that I'm going to want you to use is your RK Prasad. Okay, so this one is for quantum chemistry by this one is by an Indian writer, but it's a very good book for beginners. Another thing that I'm going to take you is your Levine. This is a very classic book for physical chemistry. No matter which year of your preparation you are in, you should definitely read Levine. And the other book, which is also sort of concise physical chemistry, I will say, more or less you find everything over here. This is a very famous Puri Sharma Patania. So I'm going to give you a mixture of these books along with some YouTube videos which you will be following for a preparation. And now let's begin with the atomic structure firstly. So again, there is one topic called the basic mathematical concept. For that topic, I will suggest you strongly to stick to the 12th level mathematics. Don't go overboard with the preparation of mathematical concepts, because the questions will be very easy from that section and they are easy score marks. So I will not suggest you to skip that topic as well. So for atomic structure, we will be using Puri Sharma Patania. It will cover your basic uncertainty principle, the de Broglie equation, and Pauli's exclusion principle. All those stuff, it will be covered from this particular book. For quantum, you have to use the RK Prasad book, and you can use the J Chemistry quantum series. She has a lecture for quantum. You can also follow that. For theory of gases, next we have theory of gases, and for theory of gases, I will suggest you use Puri Sharma Patania along with Levine, and also there are videos from Chem Academy. For solid state also, I will suggest you read Puri Sharma Patania along with J Chemistry videos. So she have made video on solid state, and you can also watch videos from Chem Academy. And I will suggest you to buy or maybe to borrow coaching notes for this particular topic, because coaching notes will give you a direction how much to study and which portion to study. Okay, so for solid state, this will be enough. Another topic we have is chemical thermodynamics. Now thermodynamics is a huge topic, uh, and there are so many resources available on YouTube for this, but I will strongly suggest you to read books for this topic, and those books will be obviously Levine. And after Levine, once you read Levine completely, then you should be going to the Puri Sharma Patania. And for chemical thermodynamics also, I think there are videos on the Chem Academy channel. Thermochemistry or thermodynamics should be totally covered from books, because this is a very important topic. Okay, another thing is electrochemistry. Again, for electrochemistry, you should be using Levine paired with your Puri Sharma Patania and some J Chemistry video series. Chemical kinetics. For chemical kinetics also, these are classic books, Levine and PSP you can be using. I think these books are more than enough, and you don't need any video lectures for kinetics. For adsorption, okay, for adsorption, I have Puri Sharma Patania and surface chemistry. You will find this chapter in the under the name of surface chemistry, and you can also watch Chem Academy videos that are available on YouTube for the adsorption portion. Next, we have spectroscopy. For spectroscopy, these are very basic portion of the spectroscopy, so you should follow Levine for this one, and it will be good enough. So this is how you can cover your physical chemistry syllabus. So the N. Tiwari book is going to be very helpful for your IT JAM preparation or any exam for that matter, in organic chemistry. So this book will cover your basic concepts, your name reactions, reaction intermediates, rearrangement reaction, pericyclic reactions. Mostly it will be covered in this book. And another thing that you want to do is that for GOC and aromaticity, you should watch some YouTube material. I have not written any name over here, but you can surely watch YouTube material for this one. And also I will suggest you to refer to some coaching notes. For reagents, you can watch. There are some videos from Chem Academy. For name reactions also we have some videos by J Chemistry, you can watch that. Organometallic, and basically for organometallic oxidation reduction I will suggest you to follow any coaching module, because they have a limited stuff, and they have included all that might be important for this preparation. For stereochemistry I will suggest you use Nasi Puri. I don't have the book with me currently, so that book Nasi Puri, and Kalsi also many people use for stereochemistry. You can also use J Chemistry videos on stereochemistry, you can watch that video, and Chem Academy also have a video on stereochemistry, so you can watch that video. For organic spectroscopy, my favorite book for organic spectroscopy, this is my favorite book. This one is by William Kemp. As you can see, I have read this book pretty lot many times, and this is very good book as a for beginners. I think this is the best book for beginners. The language is very simple, it's easy to understand. This will totally serve your purpose for the exam, and the questions asked is generally from the NMR section, and they are very easy to answer. So once you read this book from you will be able to answer all the questions from I think the spectroscopy section. Next we have natural product chemistry. So this will include your carbohydrates, amino acid, protein. For this particular section I will suggest you read this book. So this one is by Mukherjee Singh Kapoor. It's a very good book, it's an amazing book. It has covered carbohydrates, protein, amino acid in great detail. Heterocyclic chemistry. So heterocyclic chemistry, for that also you can read this book. You can refer to the classic organic chemistry book called Claydon. Yeah, that is pretty much it. For pericyclic reactions, as I said, your NTWARI will cover that pericyclic reaction. Also you have video lectures from Chem Academy, you can watch that. For aromaticity also there is one video available on J Chemistry, you can watch that video. Okay, next up we will come to inorganic. For inorganic I will be strictly sticking to two books, and they will be the Huhi, which is a very classic book, and another one is your Puri Sharma Kalia. Okay, so we'll show you that book. So this is the Huhi. Okay, this one is Huhi. It's a very classic inorganic chemistry book, and another one I will suggest is the Puri Sharma Kalia book. Yeah, so from Puri Sharma Kalia you will be covering your periodic table, chemical bonding, shapes, hybridization, S block, P block. This type of topic you can cover up from this book. Sorry. Yeah, so you can cover up from this particular book. Okay, and since this is a very bulky document, as you can see, it's a huge book. I mean, it's a bulky document, and there is so much of information, you will not understand which one to actually read, which one not to read. In that case I will also suggest you strongly to go through some video lectures on YouTube. They will actually help you to give an idea of how much you should be studying from S block, P block. Okay, I think there you will find some videos on Chem Academy regarding the S block and P block, and also they have videos on the MOT theory, the molecular orbital theory. So for that one also, MOT also, you can use the Chem Academy videos paired with this book. Now when I mention videos, I don't mean that you have to only watch videos. No, you cannot do that. If you do that, you will be in trouble. Okay, so you have to read books. So this one is a classic book. After you read a book, then you go to videos, and then maybe you can compile everything and create a note of your own. Okay, that is why I'm saying. So that is the reason I'm giving you 2 to 3 different options that you should be reading and then compiling to prepare your classic notes. Okay, these notes will be very handy during your revision, or even after the exam for that matter, because they are going to be with you always. So just take time and prepare good notes, your personal notes. Okay, don't copy. And then for the next very important topic in inorganic chemistry, for that I am going to use Huhi. So this book will cover your coordination chemistry, it will also cover your organometallic chemistry, and most importantly the bioinorganic chemistry. So for all these three very important topics you can use this book. Apart from this, once you have read this book, you can also go and try the PSK, that is your Puri Sharma Kalia book. So once you have read this book completely, and then that book completely, And maybe if you want some video lectures, you can watch video lectures on coordination chemistry. There is a video lecture on Chem Academy I've written over here. So you know read, watch all the lectures, and then you prepare a note of your own. Okay, so that will be very helpful. Next up we have analytical chemistry. So analytical chemistry, I will suggest you to use some coaching note. Okay, because analytical chemistry is huge. There are 12 videos on Chem Academy for your analytical chemistry. You can watch this. So these are the basic stuff that you can actually follow. Now that I have given you so many books to read, I will also tell you how you can read the books efficiently in less time and with more output. So for that, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, I will strongly recommend you to subscribe and stick around to see a sneak peek of everything that I do. Yeah, thank you. Take care. Bye bye.